Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I will show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So when you open your WhatsApp, now tap the three dots, then go to settings right here, and then tap on these chats. And right over here at the bottom, you can see the chat backup. So here you need to set up your Google account, your Google Drive, then tap on this daily basis, and you can now tap this backup option, so all your messages will be saved right here. You can restore it on your WhatsApp account. After I back up all the messages, I'll try to uninstall this WhatsApp. Then go over to Play Store and need to reinstall this application. So let's see if all that messages will be recovered. So here need to install this application and wait for a few seconds and try to open it again on your application. Now as you can see, this fresh WhatsApp, and need to set up these things right here. Agree and continue, then set up the contact number and allow all the permissions for this WhatsApp, and then tap on restore backup, where you can restore all the messages including the deleted messages. Now once you've done, you can see now the result right here. All your messages have been recovered, and of course all the deleted messages have been restored. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.